Surveyor 1, the first U.S. spacecraft to successfully land on the moon, was launched on May 30th, 1996. It successfully landed on June 2nd, 1996, and took thousands of pictures.
You are looking at America's Surveyor A spacecraft, an important link in our overall space exploration program. This pioneer, with its spidery tripod legs, goes through its final checkout, ready for the first U.S. attempt at a soft landing on the moon. Perched atop an Atlas Centaur rocket, Surveyor, loaded with television cameras, is launched at Cape Kennedy. The moon is only 231,000 miles away, a mere 63-hour journey. These official NASA animation sequences show the entire flight pattern of Surveyor. Speeds of 25,000 miles an hour are reached. Booster engines are jettisoned. Surveyor is now 12 minutes in flight and already well into its lunar path. Surveyor continues its historic path. The target is an incredibly small 2-by-5 mile area which this craft must hit dead center for best results. A man will take precisely the same journey in 1969. The prime objective of this mission, beyond the soft landing accomplishment, is to obtain vital information about the moon's